Founded in 1973 and located in East Providence, Ocean State Montessori School is the oldest Montessori school in Rhode Island. We provide an academically excellent and nurturing environment for children in preschool through 6th grade, as well as extended day programs, vacation, and summer camps. At Ocean State Montessori School, we create a lifelong love of learning for young minds through hands-on programming, opportunities for self-expression, and an integrated curriculum that ties all classes together. We work to help each child reach their full potential by fostering their curiosity, independence, self-esteem, and academic accomplishments. Our teachers collaborate with parents to help students develop into engaged citizens of the world. For more information on applications, tuition, and programs, or to request a tour, visit us at www.oceanstatemontessori.org or give us a call at 401-434-6913.